Hey guys, and this is your official look at the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 Wide renders and animation coming in from One UI 9 firmware courtesy the Cypher project. So, can be seen the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 got a remote-style narrow and tall form factor. The Z Fold 8 Wide is a lot smaller and wider in terms of the aspect ratio. The Z Fold 8 Wide gets dual cameras, 200 megapixel main and a 50 megapixel ultra-wide. This official animation confirms just like the standard Z Fold lineup, you guys will have an option to capture selfies using the Z Fold 8 Wide rear camera. So, a 200 megapixel high-resolution selfie, one of the best in any phone out there. The Z Fold 8, however, is coming with triple cameras, main, ultra-wide, and 3x zoom telephoto sensor. The standard Z Fold 8 might have a massive 5,000 mAh battery, which is huge compared to 4,400 mAh battery of the Z Fold 7. And even the new Z Fold 8 Wide may have a 4,900 mAh battery. The specifications are Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, which is the most powerful chipset right now. It's going to have One UI 9 out of the box, which is coming with new music player Now Bar. Hopefully, we'll see zero crease and anti-reflective coating for no to less glare. So, Samsung is going all out in here. This is your first look at the Samsung Galaxy glasses coming soon this July, alongside the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8, Galaxy Z Fold 8 Wide, and Galaxy Z Flip 8. So, as you can see, the Galaxy glasses, codenamed Jinju, look kinda similar to the Meta Ray-Ban glasses and run Android XR, powered by Gemini. For those who aren't aware, Android XR is an extended reality operating system developed by Samsung and Google and uses Gemini AI for real-time assistance, SmartWise interaction, and understanding your surroundings. The shocking part is, first-gen Samsung glasses won't have a display. This means the glasses won't show digital things on top of real world in front of your eyes. For example, you won't see directions floating on the road. Samsung is going to release a separate model for glasses with a micro LED display codename Hein. But again, the first gen launching this July won't have a display and is mainly focused on AI, camera, and speakers. With Gemini inside and the camera always on, the Galaxy glasses will allow you to translate things, take photos, videos, use navigation, and ask questions. Of course, again, you won't be able to see anything directly, but Gemini will guide you because it's going to use the camera to see your environment and surroundings. Samsung is working with Warby Parker and Gentle Monster for Galaxy Glasses frames. It's powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon AR1 chipset, got a 155 mAh battery, a 12 megapixel Sony IMX681 sensor, and weighs around 50 grams. The rumored pricing is around $400, and it launches this July. We want you to stay with us by subscribing and share your valuable feedback through comments. See you in the next video.